Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Naisja and welcome to my channel. I just want to say thank you to those who watched my previous lesson, and today let's start a new lesson. In today's lesson, I will going to show you the two irregular verbs, which is saber and conocer. These two verbs with the same meaning as to know, but it used differently because saber is for facts, information, and how to do something, while conocer is to be familiar with a person, place, or thing. It is somehow confusing, that's why let's focus first on the verb saber. Saber has three different use. The saber, which means to know. Saber que means to know that. Saber plus infinitive means to know how to do something. I'm going to give you more examples on the next slide. But I want you to memorize first and be familiar with the conjugation of saber. Saber is an irregular verb. As you can see in this table, we have pronoun and verb endings. In my previous lessons, I showed you that the verb conjugation should correspond to the pronoun that you are going to use. But please take note that saber is irregular only in the yo form. Yo sé means I know. Tú sabes means you know. Él, ella, usted sabe means he knows, she knows, you know. Nosotros and nosotras sabemos means we know. Vosotros and vosotras sabéis means you know. Ellos, ellas, ustedes saben means they know. Here are the examples of saber, which means to know. Sé su número de teléfono. I know his telephone number. ¿Sabes dónde trabaja? Do you know where she works? Sabemos tu dirección. We know your address. As you can see, I did not indicate the pronoun because when you conjugate the verb, it already represents whom you are referring to. And now, let's move on to saber que means to know that. Ellos no saben que estás aquí. They don't know that you are here. Sé que eres inteligente. I know that you are smart. Ella sabe que mañana es tu cumpleaños. She knows that tomorrow is your birthday. In these three sentences, we use the conjunction que or that in English to complete our sentence. And for the last one, let's talk about saber plus infinitive. Saber plus infinitive means to know how to do something. Infinitive are verbs that are not conjugated. That's hablar, leer, comer, escribir, and a lot more verbs that are not conjugated. When we use saber plus infinitive, always remember that we don't need to add como. Como means how in English because saber plus infinitive already expressed the meaning of how to do something. Here are the example of saber plus infinitive. Sé cocinar. I know how to cook. Sé cómo cocinar. I know how to cook. As you can see, that's the reason why we don't need to use como, because it shows redundancy. Because when you have the formula saber plus infinitive, it already expressed on how to do something, so you don't need to use como. Él sabe conducir. He knows how to drive. No sabemos bailar. We don't know how to dance. Bueno, eso es todo para hoy, mis amigos. Hasta la próxima vez. Gracias por ver, espero que te guste. Espero que te aprenda el verbo saber.